Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are doing good. Yesterday we studied about sky letters and today we are going to study another type of letters which is grass letters. Okay, so what we studied about sky letters, those letters which come or which we write in first three lines. We saw three examples like B comes in first three lines, right? So B is a sky letter. Then we saw D also comes in first three lines. F, H, L, K, T, these all are sky letters because they come in first three lines. Today we will study about grass letters, and grass letters are those letters which we write in between these two lines or in these two lines, right? Let's see a few examples. First we have A. Where is A? A is in between two lines. एक यहाँ लिखा है इन दो लाइन्स के बीच में. जो कोई भी लेटर इन दो लाइन्स में लिखा होगा उसको हम कहेंगे grass letter. So let's circle A because A is a grass letter. Next we have B, but B is a sky letter. Next we have C. C is in between two lines, in the two lines. So it's a grass letter. Next we have D. D is a sky letter. Next we have E. E kahan hai? Where is E? E is in these two lines. So E is also a grass letter. Next we have F. F is also a sky letter. Next we have G. Can you tell me G is a grass letter or not? G is not a grass letter because it's in the last three lines. Okay. Next we have H. H is also a sky letter. Next we have I. Is I a grass letter or not? I is a grass letter. Why? Because it's in two lines. Okay, let's circle it. Next we have J. Is J a grass letter or not? J is not a grass letter because it's in the last three lines. Next we have K and L. They both are sky letters because it's in the first three lines. Next we have M. M is a grass letter or not? M is a grass letter because it's in between two lines. So we will circle it. Next we have N. N is a grass letter or not? N is a grass letter because it's in between two lines. Okay. So let's circle it. Next we have O. Is O a grass letter? Yes, O is a grass letter. Next we have P. Is P a grass letter or not? P is not a grass letter because it's in the last three lines. Next we have Q. Q is also in the last three lines, so it's not a grass letter. Next we have R. Is R a grass letter? Yes, R is a grass letter because it's in between two lines. Is S a grass letter? Yes, S is also a grass letter because it's in between two lines. Next we have T. T is also a sky letter. Next we have U. U is in the two lines, so it's a grass letter. Any letter that comes in these two lines is a grass letter. Next we have V, W and X. The three are in the two lines, so these three are called as grass letters. V, W and X. Next we have Y. Is Y a grass letter? Y is not a grass letter because it's in the last three lines. Next we have Z. Z is a grass letter because it's in between two lines. Your task for today is that you will open your notebooks and write a date. Today is 27 March, M-A-R-C-H, March 2026. Next, here you will write a day, which is Friday, Friday, Friday. Next, here you'll write topic, topic, topic. And today our topic is grass letters. Okay, what's our topic? Grass letters. And what are grass letters? A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, and Z. These all are grass letters. Okay, you will write this in your notebooks and send it to me.